finished the topic on top 5 WAEC practical mistakes and how to avoid them. So I just decided to put this a correct table, how the table should look like. Now, if you look at the table, first thing is you have your volume of pipette used, which is 25 point, it must be in 2 decimal places, 25.00 centimeter cube. And then next thing, your table, you put your unit centimeter cube, to all of your burette reading, final reading, initial reading, volume of acid used. And then next thing, for your rough titer, you can see 2 decimal place, 2 decimal place, and 20.00 minus 0.00 is 20.00. No arithmetic error. 19.10 minus 0.00 is 19.10. You can see 2 decimal place and no arithmetic error, no burette reading error of 50 something. Now, if you look at this, you have 38.30 minus 19.10. You can see you have 19.20. And then the next one for the third titer, that's 29. You have 29.30 minus 10.00, 19.30. So you can see all these are very, very correct, 2 decimal place, and there is no arithmetic error, and there is no omission. There is no omission of table. There is no alteration. Can you see now? There is no alteration of any value, and there is no burette reading error. No burette reading error. So of maybe 51 point something, 50.8, no, 15.1, no. So you can see. So the next thing is for me to look at my concordance. Now see 19.10 minus you have 19.20. So 19.20 minus 19.10. So you have what? You'll be having 0.1. And then if you look at the next one, 19.30 minus 19.20, you'll be having 0.10. So when you have values like this, the first two values that are higher and they are concordance of 0.10. Look at it. This is the first two that are higher than this. So you are going to use the first two, which is the second and the third titer. That's why I see me using the second and the third titer centimeter cube. Now you must put your units. Always remember your unit, and this is also compulsory. I noticed that yes, most students don't calculate this. They will just calculate this, press this in their calculator and go to the final answer, omitting this section. This section is even +2, +2 marks. So you must not omit this. So after calculating it, solve for the numerator and then write your answer divided by 2 and then your final answer in centimeter cube, and then you are good to go. Best table you can ever have. Thank you very much for joining us.